Don't watch this if you get addicted easily. Seriously. Welcome to Kiro Craze. I'm Kiro, and today we're testing some of the most insane, wait for it, moments you'll ever see. From bullets versus frying pans, to skull tests, to perfectly timed shots, and finally, an explosion that looks straight out of a movie. Let's see which one actually deserves the highest craze score. What do you think? How many frying pans can actually stop a bullet? Can a bullet really pass through them? Let's find out. We've stacked up 10 high-quality frying pans, and now a 22 Ruger Mark IV pistol is fired. What's your guess? How many did it go through? Well, look at that. The bullet barely grazed the first pan and ricocheted right back. All right, next up, a Glock 19. Let's see if this changes anything. Again, only the first pan gets pierced, and the second is barely touched. Not very impressive so far. Now a 45 ACP. Watch closely. And same result again. The 5.56 green tip round? It cuts through 4 pans. Next, the 308 SCAR. 7 pans. Gone. And finally, the 50 caliber. Just look at that. It blasts through all the pans and even knocks over the mannequin behind. Watch that again in slow motion. That impact is absolutely devastating.
So yeah, if someone's ever shooting at you, maybe don't rely on a frying pan. First ask them what gun they're using, then quickly Google how many pans you'll need, because let's be real, this only works in movies. Kiro Craze score, 7 out of 10.
Have you ever wondered how many skulls a single projectile can break through? We've got 7 lined up. And first, a slingshot. Let's watch in slow motion. It barely grazes the surface and just bounces off. Now, a powerful crossbow. Direct hit, right through the eye sockets. It penetrates the front, but doesn't exit the back. Time for something stronger. Wow, that's insane! It completely tears through the skull, all the way to the back. Watching this in slow motion is honestly fascinating. And a bit terrifying. A real human wouldn't last even a second against that. Overall, a seriously intense test. Kiro Craze score, 8 out of 10. In this one, we're testing how a bullet reacts with different objects. And this is gonna be fun. First up, 5 light bulbs. And there it goes. Whoa! Watch closely in slow motion. It almost looks like the last 2 bulbs weren't even hit. Next, 4 balls lined up. Shot fired. And look at that! The last one just instantly deflates. That's oddly satisfying. Now, 4 Coca-Cola cans, completely filled. Oh wow, that's a perfect shot. Focus on the second can in slow motion. That effect is just so clean. And now, 3 air freshener bottles. And... what? They actually look like they're dancing. Watch again. It seems like the back 2 weren't even affected. That was seriously satisfying to watch. Kiro Craze score, 7.5 out of 10. Now, a spectacular video is about to unfold. One with absolutely no rules and no laws. Just one massive explosion. Because the materials brought here to this vast open field consist of a massive amount of propane and a huge supply of oxygen. And the sole purpose behind bringing all of this here is to create one colossal blast. So friends, this is going to be incredibly entertaining. These guys are going to be firing from a considerable distance. For this task, they are equipped with a 50 caliber M2 machine gun and plenty of ammunition. Everything is now set and I am absolutely thrilled.
2, 1.
Just take a look, guys. Oh my god! This is nothing short of an action movie sequence. Simply incredible! What a powerful explosion! Look at that. One after another in rapid succession, the whole thing went up in a massive blast. It was an absolutely phenomenal scene, a moment that truly gave me goosebumps.
I give this video a rating of 8.5 out of 10.
All right, now I want to know, which one was your favorite? Was it the frying pans, the skull test, the perfect shots, or that insane explosion? Comment your pick below. And if you made it this far, the next video is even more addictive. So don't miss it. This is Kiro, and you're watching Kiro Craze.